Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data into Presto on AWS from S3, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer data into Presto on AWS from S3, begin by ensuring you have the appropriate permissions set up. Log into your AWS account and navigate to the S3 service. Identify the S3 bucket containing the data you want to transfer. Make sure your data is in a compatible format, such as CSV, JSON, or Parquet. Open the AWS Management Console and launch the Amazon EMR service. Create a new EMR cluster by selecting the Create Cluster button. Choose a name for your cluster and select Presto from the list of applications. Select the appropriate instance types based on your data size and processing requirements. Configure the security groups to allow access to your S3 bucket. Review the settings, then click Create Cluster to launch it. Once the cluster is running, access the Presto web UI by entering the cluster's master public DNS in your browser. In the Presto web UI, locate the Query Editor section. Write a SQL query to load the data from your specified S3 path. Use the syntax, create table _name as select asterisk from S3 // your bucket name / path to your data / replace table _name with your desired name and adjust the path accordingly. Submit the query by clicking the Run Query button. Monitor the query execution in the query editor to ensure it completes successfully. Once the data transfer is complete, verify the new table by running a simple select statement. That completes the data transfer into Presto from S3. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.